Hey guys, what's going on? And as you can see in my hand, we're going to be showing off. That's right. We're going to be showing off guns. So, sorry about that. So, I want to get in this real quick. The rifle is one of the best, I think, out of the ones I'm going to be showing. I'm also going to be showing off some nice back there behind me. I'm a soldier. So yeah, you take a bullet. There's going to be 6 of these in here. I got this off Amazon. Took about 2 to 3 days. So yeah, let's do this. So you put it in this little hole. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's the little hole right here. You'll probably see it if you got it. Get it. And you put the bullet in there. And make sure it's in. And then you pull this up until you hear that click. And then you do that, and then this will be up by itself. And then go watch this, guys. And then cock it. Boom! The thing just came out by itself. I didn't do that, guys. Here. Watch this. I'll do it again and see if you guys can see this. I'm going to put the bullet in. Okay. Cock it. And see if you can see this, guys. Okay. It's going to fire, right? Watch this. Watch the bullet. If you guys could see that, it literally just popped out. It literally popped out and went like this. I'm not actually doing it again. It just, the bullets right here just went and flew over here. So yeah, has a cool feature. The scope doesn't actually zoom in. Just really nice detail. I like it. And you can't pull any of the pieces off, but on the next one you can. Which I'm going to be showing you is the AK-47. Right now I haven't put any batteries in it. It's going to be really cool. I might make another video and I put batteries in it. I'm just going to be like, ah! So yeah, pretty cool. I mean, it's not like the cartridges on the other one, but it has like gold bullets in it. And there's a bullet on here. It's really cool. And the only part you can take apart is the end right here. It'll come in the box and you just slide it up, or you slide it down when you're doing it. But if you want to slide it up, if you want to get it, oh, there's a different button on. And for future videos, I will be using these. Here we go. And I just got back from the hospital. I went to go visit Grandma. She just got to come back. And yeah, looks kind of cool without it. So you can make it look like, you're just doing it mini, or you can make it actually look like an AK-47. So yeah, it has a lot of detail on it, and there's no bullets to come in with it, but you can cock it like this, and then like make movies. And again, it's on Amazon.com. Go to Amazon.com, and yeah, just search AK-47s. Yeah, so that's that. And I will be showing you guys the next feature. Or next gun. Sorry. I have to put this back on. These are all mine, but I'm showcasing. But my brother wants to play with them after me. After I'm doing this. And as you can see, I don't know if you guys can tell what these are. It's a mystery. But I'm not going to keep it from you guys. So yeah. Take it off. It looks like a really cool army knife. You guys might think it's weird, but look. I'm doing this as hard as I can. It's not cutting me, see? Usually this would be cutting your neck off. And yeah, it has like a finger thing to put on the blade. And then you can just like slash. So yeah, that's kind of a cool feature. And then I'm gonna show you what you can do with. It comes with 2 of them. Comes with these little cases. You can carry them on your pocket. Put them on your pocket. Here, sure. See? Hold on. I have to be the model for this. See? Right there. Right there. So yeah. Pretty cool. You can act like, you can trick your friends and they can be like, and you can be like, hey, what's up? And then they try, and then they're like, laughing at you. They'll fly like a little baby. Don't actually do that, guys. Don't do that. That's not mean. That is mean. Don't do that. Is that cool? And I can show you if you put both of your pointer fingers on. I can show you a double slash. First, I'm going to do the symbol of war. So yeah. I think I have a bullet stuck. I still have a bullet. I'm sorry, cartridge. Ah! Just don't judge me. So yeah, you see I have my fingers in them. Watch what you can do. You can double slash. And then so yeah, that's kind of cool. And I'm going to be showcasing some of my room. I know I haven't done this I know I've done like little sneak peeks of my room in other videos, but today I'm going to give you the whole package. Except for my bed and my diary. Don't judge me about my diary. So yeah, I'm going to do this one more time just so you guys can see how all the cartridges and stuff fly out. And it's really cool because like eventually it's going to go, it's going to sound like you actually hit a target. So yeah, let me cock it. You guys don't want to see this. This is boring. Or not, it might not be boring. I don't know. And tell me in the comments what you want me to do next. I can't do that much because this just came in my package because I'm doing movies now. I might put them up on YouTube. I don't know. Depends on how I do this. And my birthday's coming up and school's coming up. It's just going to be a lot of handle now that school's coming up. So yeah. I might not be able to do what I always do. I'm definitely going to do it right now, but in school, I might not be able to. Yeah, I'm going to make videos still. I just might not be able to make them like every day. If you guys know what I mean. And watch this. Oh yeah, you just got owned. Alright, ready guys? Cock it. Watch this. Whoops. Hold on guys, let me cock it again. Ready? Now watch it when I cock again. Can we put it right in front of you? Come on. I have to do it this way so it doesn't fly. Oh, my window's up. Ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. If you guys didn't see that, you guys didn't hear that, it literally just went under my camera. It just went under my camera. I'm not doing that. So yeah, that's a cool feature, and get ready for it. Yeah, I'm a soldier. I'm a soldier now. Take that! Ah! I'm going to war! Ah! Yeah, that's it. Remember, that's Amazon.com, Amazon.com. And I might not be able to, like I said, I'm not going to be able to do videos because school and all that. Yeah, we'll definitely try to upload weekly videos. And maybe next time we can do grenades, which are probably not come yet. That hasn't come yet. And I'll showcase these again. Probably this will have batteries by then. And I can show you how cool the grenades are. So yeah. I'm just going to do this. Show off. Not actually like show off like I'm bragging, but oh yeah. You guys can't deny it. You guys cannot deny it. This is OP. OP Gaming. So yeah. Just to show you. Double slash. Like if you were to do if you were making like a horror movie and you were like threatening somebody, I would do the slash neck and then like make them fall. Because then it could look like you just cut his head off. So yeah, as I promised earlier in the I'm going to show you my other thing that came with my Halloween set. Yeah, I still trick or treat. Come on, guys. You guys don't trick or treat. Exit out of this video right now. Exit out right now. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I still love you guys. But seriously, who doesn't like trick or treating? And if you guys are old, you know, you don't trick or treat no more. You're done with that stuff. Don't be party poopers and say you don't believe in it. Still believe in it. Otherwise, that will erase your mind. Ooh, okay. Yeah, as I promised, I would showcase my stuff. So yeah. First up is this cool thing. That was built by me. This was built by me. So yeah. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm just going to hover over it. Really cool. So yeah, if you guys can't see it, I'm sorry. But yeah, like I'll show you it right now. Put it right here for an easier view. Put it right here for an easier view. And I will show you how to fire the missile. I can find my missile. And I don't know if I can find my missile. But yeah, guys.